Hello students, I hope you all are safe at your home. Today I am going to teach you phonic sound of prep class. So let's start. A says A for apple. B says B for ball. C says K for camel. D says D for dog. A for elephant. F says F for frog. G says G for goat. H says H for house. I says E for ink pot. J says J for jug. K says K for cattle. L says L for lamb. M says M for mango. N says N for nurse. O says O for orange. P says P for pen. Q says Q for queen. R says R for red. S says S for star. T says T for tree. U says A for umbrella. V says V for vase. W says V for watch. X says X for Xmas tree. Y says Y for yacht. Z says Z for zebra. The main word is 8. Repeat again and again. 8, 8. D says D8, date. G says G8, gate. L says L8, late. C says K, R says R, crow, crow8, crate. S says K says K, sk, sk8, skate. S says L says L, slow, slow8, slate. S says T says stir, stir8, state. P says P, L says L, plow, plow8, plate. D says D8, date. L says L8, late. P says P, L says L, plow, plow8, plate. S says L says L, slow8, slow8, slate. G says G8, G8, gate. C says K, R says R, crow, crow8, crate. S says K says K, sk, sk8, skate. S says T says stir, stir8, state. The V and van is L8, late. The van is late. The V and van, H has a crate, crate. The van has a crate. The van is late. The van has a crate. The main word is egg. Repeat again and again. Egg, egg. B says B egg, bake. C says K egg, cake. L says L egg, lake. M says M egg, make. W says W egg, fake. S says H says sh egg, shake. S says N says snow, snow egg, snake. T says egg, egg, take. B says egg, bake. L says egg, lake. T says egg, take. S says H says sh egg, shake. C says egg, cake. M says egg, make. W says egg, wake. S says N says snow, egg, snow egg, snake. W says egg, wake. Up, wake up. Eat a eat, is, six, it is 6. Go o go, jog, buy, the leg, go jog by the lake. Wake up, it is 6, go jog by the lake. The main word is aim. Repeat again and again. Aim. C says go, aim came. N says no, aim name. S says so aim same. T says to aim tame. F says for, L says flow aim flame. F says for, R says fro aim frame. C says co aim came. S says so aim same. F says for, L says flow aim flame. N says no aim name. T says to aim tame. F says for, R says fro aim frame. The am lamb, am came, the lamb came. The am lamb is, am tame, the lamb is tame. The lamb came, the lamb is tame. The main word is and. Repeat again and again. And. B says bow and band. H says ho and hand. T says L says low and land. S says so and sand. S says so, T says stow and stand. G says go, R says grow and grand. B says bow and band. L says low and land. G says go, R says grow and grand. H says ho and hand. S says so and sand. S says so, T says stow and stand. S says so, T says stow and stand. In the and sand, stand in the sand. Take and sand in your and hand. Take sand in your hand. Stand in the sand. Take sand in your hand. The main word is all. Repeat again and again. All. B says bow all ball. C says go all call. F says for all fall. H says ho all hall. W says wo all wall. S says so, M says mo small all small. S says so, T says stow all stall. T says all tall. B says all ball. F says for all fall. T says all tall. S says so, M says small all small. C says all call. H says her all hall. W says all wall. S says so, T says stow all stall. The and lad is, all tall. The lad is tall. He has a small ball. He has a small ball. The lad is tall. He has a small ball. So we have completed here our phonics sound of prep class. Learn it your home. Thank you.